बाखर पब्लिक स्कूल की जानिब से इस साल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सोशल विस्टा 2025 सोशल साइंस एग्जीबिशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था, जिसमें सभी स्टूडेंट्स ने पार्टिसिपेट कर काफ़ी खूबसूरत प्रोजेक्ट और मॉडल तैयार किए थे। इस एग्जीबिशन की डिटेल बताते हुए स्कूल प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर मौला अली खान साहब ने कहा कि ज्योग्राफी, हिस्ट्री, इकोनॉमी और पॉलिटिकल साइंस टोटल 4 ब्रांच में स्टूडेंट्स ने कुल 300 से ज़्यादा प्रोजेक्ट और मॉडल्स तैयार कर बेहतरीन अंदाज में एक्सप्लेन किए हैं। इस मौके पर स्कूल प्रेसिडेंट जनाब सैयद बाखर शब्बीर हुसैनी साहब, स्कूल सेक्रेटरी जनाब सैयद बाखर अली साहब ने शिरकत कर सभी स्टूडेंट्स के मॉडल्स को देखकर उनके एक्सप्लेन करने के अंदाज को देखकर खूब पसंद किया और मुबारकबाद पेश की। प्रिंसिपल मौला अली खान साहब ने कहा कि आने वाले 2026-27 एकेडमिक ईयर के लिए एडमिशन स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं। अगर आप भी अपने बच्चों का एडमिशन करवाना चाहते हैं तो बाखर पब्लिक स्कूल में एडमिशन करवा सकते हैं। और इस एग्जीबिशन से जुड़ी ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए आप इस वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें।
everyone. Aitan Sultana, student of grade 8B studying in Baqher's public school, is here to showcase the most iconic, impressive as well as most stunning example of ancient architecture, which is none other than Hampi Ratha, which dedicates devotion, art, history and Indian artistic brilliance.
Good afternoon. I am Bibi Halcha from grade 7th A. This is Aisha Taqdees and her model is World War One. And this is Afianam. Her model is Hiroshima and Nagasaki bomb blast. My model is World War II. World War II started on 1st September 1939 and lasted 6 years. This was fought between the two powers, the Allied powers and the Axis powers. The countries involved in Allied powers were Britain, France, USA and Soviet Union, and the countries involved in Axis powers were Germany, Italy and Japan.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abdurrasif from grade 8th A. My topic name is Sindhudak Fort. Sindhudak Fort is a sea fort located in the Arabian Sea near Malwan in the Sindhudak district, Konkan region of Maharashtra. The fort was established by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of Maratha Empire, to protect his kingdom from sea attack and make his navy stronger.
I'm Firdaus Fatima of grade 8B. Today my topic is Red Fort, which is also known as Lal Killa. It is present in Delhi and it was made by Shah Jahan. The construction of it started in 1639 and ended by 1648.
My name is Mohammed Aman Ahmad. I am from Natoli. The topic is Buttar, which is Buttar and which is Buttar. Buttar is warm and kind, a happy feeling for your mind, like a hug from mom and dad, that makes you happy, never sad. Thank you. Morning everyone. I said Kuslavyam. I am standing in nursery. My model is first and second. Eyes help to see, nose help to smell, ear help to hear. I am Anabia Tarin from UTGB. My topic is supermarket. A supermarket is a big shop where we buy many things. We can buy fruits, vegetables, milk, bread, toys and flowers. Everything is cheap, nicely on shelves. Mizara, my topic is vegetable field. My field has tomato, carrots, veggie, cauliflower, radish, brinjal. I love to eat vegetable. If you eat vegetable, you have full energy. Good morning everyone. My name is Syed Shajil Khadri from grade 3rd A. Today I will say some sentences about Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Christians celebrate Christmas. Santa Claus is a person who distributes gifts, sweets to children on Christmas. Thank you.
My name is Umar Abdullah from grade 3rd A. So today I have opened the Christmas special mini shop. In Christmas special mini shop, I am selling Christmas trees, gifts, Santa Claus, chocolates and cupcakes.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Maulali Khan, Principal, Baqher Public School, Gulbarga. Today we are conducting SOCIO VISTA 2025, a social science voyage school exhibition by our students and teachers. This is a unique exhibition compared to all other exhibitions. Every year we see different schools will give the different kinds of exhibitions based on science. But we are having a unique one that is called social science based exhibition without a single science department, all social studies. It has 4 branches: geography, history, economics and political science. Overall, we have received 300 plus projects, models, displays by the students in different levels from nursery to grade 9 level, excluding the grade 10, and they have done marvelously, and I am very happy, and my parents are also very happy by seeing the presentations. And particularly there are some students, those who made without asking their parent or teachers help, they themselves made that. That is a fantastic thing, and really it's a wonderful one. I thank you once again, all the parents, students, my staff members, moreover, above all, my school president sir always gives a lot of support, and our secretaries are always encourages, and our headmistress madam always support me to do that, and the 4 coordinators, they will always work very hard. Day and night they will work for anything. So this way we have completed it today, and this is really wonderful. Thank you so much. Welcome to once again. Next year we will see in a different, unique way of presenting for your, based on your children and your parents' support. We have admission process already started. We are seeking taking the admissions from nursery to grade 8 level, excluding the 9 and 10. All nursery to grade 8 are there. Almost we started. There are nursery level, we are almost filling the seats. The parents, those who are willing to join Baqher's family, were most welcome for the academic year 2026 and 27. We started doing that. Please do visit, see the valuable things, how we will support you, how we will nurture your children, and in what way we will shape your children. You can see, come and visit, see that things. Thank you so much.